Since their return in 1995, wolves have had a positive impact on the tourism industry in and around Yellowstone National Park. With the Lamar Valley the most reliable location for wolf sightings, people from around the world have flocked to the area for the opportunity to see and photograph them, especially the alpha female 832F. Nicknamed Rockstar by wildlife watchers, 832F was easily recognizable by not only her markings, but by the GPS collar that she wore. Crafty and courageous, 832F had a dedicated following of enthusiasts who faithfully chronicled her movements. She was known for breaking cover and posing for pictures. She was a born leader who protected and provided for her pack. Based on data from her GPS collar, researchers knew her exact movements. Their data proved that her pack rarely ventured outside the park, and then only for brief periods. Sadly, on December 6, 2012, she was murdered by a trophy hunter. The selfishness of one man stole a national treasure. I'm Brian St. August, asking you to stand up to the special interest groups and demand that our wildlife be protected. Make a difference by calling, snail mailing your local, state, and federal representatives. It is only by speaking as one will we save our national treasures from the greed and selfishness of the special interest groups. Please use your voice to speak for these precious beings that cannot speak for themselves.